Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Facemoji and signing in. This lets the app sync your emoji packs and settings. Once installed, open Settings and enable the keyboard. Grant full access if you want custom GIF and clipboard features. Make sure to pick a language layout and set Facemoji as your default keyboard. This saves time later. After signing in, tap the store icon to download free or paid emoji packs. Now you're ready to switch keyboards and test a quick emoji send in any chat app. Once the keyboard is active, explore the palette. Emoji, stickers, GIF, and themes are organized into tabs to speed selection. You can create custom stickers by picking an image, cropping, and adding effects. Save them into a pack for reuse. Make sure to assign shortcuts. Type a short trigger to insert an emoji combo instantly. If you want predictive suggestions, enable suggestions in keyboard settings and adjust size and transparency. This makes frequent emoji use faster and keeps your chats consistent. To finish, explore advanced tools like AR stickers, animated emoji, and face filters for dynamic messages. They add personality and improve engagement. Once done, manage storage, remove unused packs, and back up your custom packs via account sync so you don't lose work. If something breaks, first re-enable keyboard permissions, then reset the keyboard settings. If that fails, reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or reinstall before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.